Hi, I'm June. It's 85, and this is the second time around. It's a sequel. The first time was fantastic. So much so that within a short period of time, not even 4 months, I decided to go ahead and have my second knee done. And that's working out absolutely beautifully. I'm very, very happy. They're doing it. They got it pretty well down pat now, so everything is moving well. I don't even need the cane, but I'm using it anyway because they tell me I must. But outside of that, though, life is good. Life is very good.
June, let's get you to sit up here
Sure.
and just show them how your motion is and everything. Go ahead and lay back for me.
Oh, to back?
Yeah, go ahead and lay back.
Here you go.
And June is at full extension.
Okay, now.
Okay, and do your right leg, which was the first one we
This
did.
was the first one, which really did just fantastic.
Right, and this one, the left one was done 6 weeks ago.
This was done 6 weeks ago. So this is doing just as well, I think.
Good.
There
All right,
go.
you can sit up.
Good.
Thank you, June.